how to download OnlyFans app on Android. So if you want to download OnlyFans app on Android, then what you need to do is you just need to simply check your internet connection. Once you have a stable internet connection, you need to go with your Play Store. Once you're under your Play Store, you need to go with search, which is on the bottom, and here you need to simply search for the application that you would like to download. Once you've searched here, you will have the application. So the application interface will be like this, but I don't have that application in my region. So once you search for the OnlyFans, then you will have this kind of interface. You just need to simply go and install the application. You will have the install button on the right side. So once you go with install, then the application will be installed. So if it is available in your region, then simply go with search and install the application from your Play Store. So that's it. That's how you can download the OnlyFans app on your Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.